Hey everyone! If you ever deal with the medical images like CT or MRI scans, you probably know how frustrating it's just to open them. Usually, someone sends you a zip file or CD, and to view it, you have to download heavy software, install it, figure out the interface. It's totally fine for a radiologist in a hospital, but what if you're a teacher, or a medical blogger, or you just want to quickly show a clinical case to a student? I thought this process was way too complicated for simple tasks. So I built a web-based tool called dicom-viewer.online. Let me show you how it works. It literally takes 10 seconds. There is nothing to install. You just open the browser. I have a zip file here with the MRI scan. I just drag it and drop it right into the window. That's it. All the processing happens right here in your browser. You can scroll through the slices, zoom in. You can easily change the window levels if you need to look at bones or soft tissues. Because it's in the browser, it's super lightweight. You can even open it on a tablet during a lecture. I want to be clear, this is not diagnostic medical device. Please don't use it to treat patients. I built this strictly as educational tool. It's for sharing cases, writing articles, adding interactive models to your website, or teaching students. I just wanted to share what I've been working on. You don't need to buy any licenses just to read dicom file anymore. There is a link in the description. Try it out with your own files. Let me know in the comments if it's useful for you or what features I should add next. Thanks for watching.